Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 102 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. You can also compliment the crew on his page and lodge a complaint there as well. But we just read the questions. We find the cool, the funny, the weird, the stuff we didn't know, and we put it here for you, so in case you didn't know it either, you do now. So on today's episode, we're talking about one of my friends got in trouble on the boat. What about me? Carnival-themed ducks. Does the crew know if you've prepaid your gratuities? Platinum benefits in ball caps. And Venezia MDR menus. All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know if a group was linked together and one person gets in trouble and gets kicked off the ship, do all the people linked with that person have to get off the ship also? Inquiring minds want to know. John said no. They don't punish everyone for the sins of one. It's kind of weird that they would ask this question. What kind of nefarious people are you cruising with? I do remember a question back in the day where John said if you were in the same cabin and somebody got caught smoking marijuana, they may expel or kick off the whole cabin. So, I don't know. But if somebody does something stupid and you're part of that group, you're not getting thrown off the boat. Tell your friends not to do stupid stuff. Just saying. Question two. This cruiser was curious if Carnival planned to sell Carnival-themed ducks. Clearly, Carnival has embraced the duck hiding phenomenon, and they were wondering if there are plans to offer them online or on the ship. John said they already have some on board, and they are available in the cherry on top. We haven't seen them personally yet on all ships, but he says they're on board. You gotta look for them. I personally think this is Carnival's way of saying duck you to Disney, because Disney banned all the cruise ducks. I love it too, by the way. So yeah, but if you like hiding ducks and you want to buy some Carnival themed ducks, apparently yes, you can get them on some of the boats. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you like cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would appreciate it. That was a lot of likes in a single sentence. I like it. Anyway, next question. Hope you like it. When you prepay the gratuities online, how does the crew know that you have prepaid them? This cruiser normally gives them additional money at the end of the cruise and throughout the cruise when the service warrants, which it normally does on our Carnival ships. And so John said they don't actually know until the end of the cruise when they receive their gratuities, usually on Tuesday or Wednesday of the following week after the cruise has ended. Then they will see that you prepaid them and that you were very kind. So nothing to worry about. So yeah, they don't, I mean, obviously they don't tell them because some people actually remove the gratuities every time. I don't get why. I mean, you can have a bad cruise, but I don't know. They work hard and we appreciate them so much. Anyway, all right, question 4. This cruiser recently hit platinum. Yay, congratulations. And they really enjoyed the benefits, and they're looking forward to seeing their new baseball caps. See, John, people do like the baseball caps. We're one of those people, too. They would love the chocolate delight that you get as a platinum benefit, but her husband doesn't like strawberries. Is there something you can get as an alternative? John said, yes. They need to do a better job of letting people know that if they don't want this, they can get the room service operator. He's old. He calls them operators. Let them know, and they will send a cheese plate instead. We've also heard of people getting cookies as an option. On the very last cruise we were on, we did call them and say, hey, can we get the cheese plate? And, called, I think on that boat it was $8,000 for room service. We called them, and we had a cheese plate. It was 4 or 5 wedges of cheese, and I think that was it. Maybe crackers. It might have been crackers. There was cheese and something else, but it was freaking delicious. So, yes, if you don't want the chocolate-covered strawberries, there is a cheese plate available, just call room service. They will bring it to you. Last question. This cruiser is going on to Venezia. What? I don't know what it's actually called. I think it's Venezia. I will carry on. Very soon is wondering if the menus in the MDR will be more of the Italian flair, or will it be a standard Carnival MDR menu? John said there will be 2 different types of Italian dishes on the menu each evening. It is also a fabulous restaurant on there as well called Il Viaggio. Il Viaggio. But it is an upcharge much like Cucina. Not expensive. Well worth the money. We haven't been on it yet. I know people that have, but it's, definitely something you want to do to change the experience of an MDR. So that's been episode 102 of Yakety-Yak. Thanks for watching. Please take care.